Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Admissions open for BTech, BSc Agri, B.Pharm, Nursing, Paramedical and Arts and Science courses.
I used to feel a bit, cornered sometimes. I used to feel that ways and I sad होता था या फिर थोड़ा सा confused भी रहता था कि why is this happening? Why am I not getting the right opportunities even after maybe delivering some hits? I won't get the equal opportunities somewhere down the line. And I don't know if my success would be celebrated the way other successes are celebrated. बहुत बार बोल देते थे कि बिना ऑडिशन लिए भी बोल देते थे कि you are unfit for the character, so we can't take you in the line also. So ये वाली situations काफ़ी आती थी and I used to travel a lot and go for that audition. तो it used to hurt even more क्योंकि मैं अपना सब कुछ छोड़ के एक नवी मुंबई से मुंबई आता था, वहाँ पे फिर जाके पता लगता था कि ऑडिशन में ये तो बाहर से ही भगा दिया। मैं उधारी की ज़िंदगी बहुत जिया हूँ और मेरे मॉम डैड के मम्मी पापा ग्वालियर में रहते थे। इट वाज टफ फॉर देम आल्सो टू मेरे एजुकेशनल लोन लिया हुआ था मेरे पढ़ाई के चक्कर में, तो मैं उन पे और डेट नहीं डालना चाह रहा था। ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज नीड ऑफ मनी, देयर इज ट्रैवल है, खाना है, इवन एक कपड़ा एक शर्ट भी अगर खरीदनी है महीने में एक बार या 2 महीने में समथिंग, आई डोंट नो। मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि वो अगर दिमाग में आया भी तो वो वाले थॉट्स बहुत अजीब होते हैं, वो वाला टाइम बहुत अजीब था। इट्स टफ टू मेक फ्रेंड्स ओवर हियर फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम। मुझे कोई नाम से बुला ही नहीं क्योंकि रिकॉल ही नहीं कर पाते थे। इसको कहीं तो देखा है, इसके बारे में कहीं तो सुना है, या शायद किसी को तो फिल्म भी याद नहीं आती थी। मैं पंचनामा 2 आइडेंटिफाइड नहीं, कोई तो ये भी बोला अरे तुम हीरो बन सकते हो तो मैं ऑलरेडी फिल्म लाइन में हूँ।
मेरी माँ कहा करती है कि हर एक मिडिल क्लास इंसान के पास होते हैं सपने और उन सपनों को जीने का एक जज्बा। टुडे आई एम सिटिंग विद समबडी हु आई हैव एक्चुअली personally seen grow in life, and I think every journalist who has been a part of his life when he wasn't the Karthik Aaryan that he is today, feels extremely proud of what he has made of himself today. He, of course, is a man who refused to surrender, and rightly so. Thank you for doing this for Galata India. You do realize that there is a lot of love and goodwill. Yeah. And when I say this, like, बाकी लोग नाम नहीं लेते, but Mohardi is there, then there's Vaibhavi, then there's me, then there's Rudrani, and there are people from different publications who have seen you literally grow in your life. What do you want to say to that Karthik who was at one point of time after debuting, still struggling to find that foot in the right place? And today, when you see where you have reached, what would you say to that Karthik, like maybe 7 years ago?
Don't worry, everything will be all right and you will become an actor. You will तू हीरो बन जाएगा।
But तब क्या बोलते थे अपने आप को हर रोज?
तब बोलता था कैसे होगा, कुछ कोई मौका मिलेगा कि नहीं, कोई फिल्म मिलेगी कि नहीं ढंग की, वो सब चलता रहता था। तब बहुत चलता था, पूरे टाइम चलता था। तब ये भी चलता था कि नहीं मुझे तो नहीं मिलेगी, मैं तो कोई जानता भी नहीं है मुझे, या I think maybe I don't bring anything to the table. So वो सारे questions आते थे।
Do you somewhere feel that it was also because of people's perception of what people fed you at that point?
Yeah, maybe it's a mix of all the things, na. When you don't know the reasons, you will always find so many reasons, and उनमें से कोई भी चीज़ आपको लगती है कि हाँ ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है। So yeah, it could be true, yeah.
But Karthik, हम जब भी आपके बारे में बात करते हैं, जब we all meet and we have seen you literally grow in your life, right? There is a sense of personal victory also in a lot of that, right?
Yeah.
Because people feel like कि नहीं उसकी movie अच्छी हो, and how do you sense that the love that you get from fans and from the people in the media? Industry will come to later, but from people in the media.
I think I've been lucky enough to know you guys since my अभी मैं childhood बोल रहा था, but since the day because I was a child when I started.
That's
it.
True.
Actually, literally. So since then I've known you guys, and it's been a journey where there have been lots and lots of ups and downs. There have been successes, there have been failures, and but I think I know that there is some sense of personal victory when there's a film of mine which becomes a success. So and I've seen you also react a certain way when it comes out, and you are fully there, all of you. So it's just something which is good to know sometimes, and which is good to uh, yeah, it's a feeling I can't explain, and I'm glad that I got to meet people who think somewhere down the line alike.
This is a story of an underdog who people never wanted to believe in. Before we get into how you reached where you reached, even after delivering some of the biggest successes in those years that in the beginning, before Sonu Kitty 2
Yeah.
happened, do you feel that the industry took a lot of time to kind of value you as an artist and didn't come to you with the right films? Did you feel a little left out, cornered, even when you went and were visible at parties?
I don't know. एक तो party से तो कुछ नहीं होता है. It's a big myth. But my only thing is that I always thought that this, yeah, there is some kind of thing around me which is missing, where a lot of people are not, maximum people are not giving me the right kind of opportunities. They are perceiving me in a way which I don't see myself in, and I used to feel like that. I used to feel a bit, yeah, cornered sometimes. I used to feel that ways, and I sad होता था, या फिर थोड़ा सा confused भी रहता था कि why is this happening? Why am I not getting the right opportunities even after maybe delivering some hits, and even after performing a certain level. So वो ऐसा लगता था तब, but then I came to terms with it, and I've thankfully I then came Sonu Ke Titu Ki Sweetie, which really changed the game for me, and yeah, then I didn't. Then I
Didn't have
need,
to turn back.
and then yeah, I didn't have to turn back or think about these things.
But Sonu Ke Titu, I remember that dinner that we had gone to, and you had shown me the promo of Sonu Ke Titu, and I had told you that I think this is gonna be that film.
Yeah.
But उसके पहले भी आपकी प्यार का पंचनामा 2 आ
दोनों
चुकी
hit हुई
थी.
थी, हाँ.
एक पॉइंट होता है जब आप एक आउटसाइडर होते हो और आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती नहीं है, जो दौर भी आपने देखा है.
जी.
But after you got those opportunities, after you delivered with your performance and at the box office, when you were not given the due opportunities,
Correct.
did that hurt you more than the time when you were not getting opportunities?
It did, because I knew I can bring something to the table, and I am not being given the right opportunities. So that answer was actually matlab, something which was killing me at that time, and I used to think a lot about it. And now to say this, it doesn't sound the way it used to sound, because at that point of time I was really I felt like that, arey yaar, something is really wrong with me. Something is really wrong with, why are they not giving me the roles which I think I could do, because I've मतलब मैंने थोड़ा बहुत प्रूव किया हुआ है, एंड तो वो बहुत होता था उस टाइम. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स सोनू आई, एंड देन सोनू ने चीजें चेंज की, और फिर उसके बाद लुक्का छुपी आई, फिर पति पत्नी. सो इट बिकेम अ थिंग देन कि बैक टू बैक सक्सेसेस देखी, एंड सो आई वाज जस्ट thankfully I came to that space. I went into that space where I was then finally getting some opportunities in life, and then came the biggest turning point, which was the sequel to Bhool Bhulaiya, which changed everything.
Absolutely.
The real options then arrived in my life, and the real and the kind of roles that I always wanted to do, or the characters. So yeah.
But as an outsider, you've always had that fear that if it didn't work, you may not be able to get those opportunities again. Jab delivery ho gayi with Sonu Ke Titu and Luka Chupi and Pati Patni, did you still have that fear? Like when a Love Aajkal didn't work, did you still get back to that fear that, oh, what if this stops what I was getting pehle?
I think I still fear the same. It's not stopped. That fear is still there. That what if they don't accept me in this genre? What if they don't accept me? Because I've come to terms with such things where I know that somewhere down the line I won't get the equal opportunities somewhere down the line, and I don't know if my success would be celebrated the way other successes are celebrated.
We do.
So you do, yeah, I know. But so I'm just skeptical. I'm still fearful. I'm still in those thoughts where I feel that it can anything can just go wrong. So I'm just wary of everything in life.
बट कार्तिक, कभी ऐसा लगा जब आप ऑडिशंस दे रहे थे, जब आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिल रही थी, व्हाट वर द वर्स्ट थिंग्स दैट वर टोल्ड टू यू? लाइक in the movie also, it's a story of an underdog. Nobody believes in him in the beginning, and there are so many times where he's gone and said that, you know, hasta kai ko hai.
Yeah.
So there are so many times an actor has to go through that, you know,
Yeah.
and they're told ridiculous things about their own self, which can affect their self esteem. कैसा अभी कभी ऐसा हुआ कोई ऑडिशन में या कुछ?
बहुत बार हुआ, बहुत बार बोल देते थे कि बिना ऑडिशन लिए भी बोल देते थे कि यू आर अनफिट फॉर द कैरेक्टर, सो वी कांट टेक यू इन द लाइन आल्सो. सो ये वाली सिचुएशंस काफ़ी आती थी, एंड आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल अ लॉट एंड गो फॉर दैट ऑडिशन. तो इट यूज्ड टू हर्ट इवन मोर, क्योंकि मैं अपना सब कुछ छोड़ के एक नवी मुंबई से मुंबई आता था, वहाँ पे फिर जाके पता लगता था कि ऑडिशन में ये तो बाहर से ही भगा दिया है. सो इट यूज्ड टू फील थोड़ा सा एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम like I don't know what to say to it, but yeah, it didn't feel right, and I used to feel dejected. But yeah, never say never. I was in that attitude where I never wanted to give up. I wanted to pursue my dream more than anything in life. So, and I continued.
बट घर पे तो बताया नहीं था तब.
घर पे नहीं बताया था.
So, you know, today we are talking about food and how you have not, you've skipped food and you've skipped meals, and you know, and you haven't also, you
आज
actually.
तो सुबह से नहीं खाया.
हाँ,
आज तो
actually.
24 घंटे हो गए अब मुझे.
बट ऐसे दिन गए हैं वहाँ पे जब आप करते थे,
अरे
जहाँ
हाँ.
पे आपको फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रगल करनी पड़ी है?
बहुत 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 ये तो काफी होता था, बिकॉज उस टाइम now I don't want to make it sound like a sob story or anything, but yeah, I've had my moments where it was just that I had to. मैं उधारी की जिंदगी बहुत जिया हूँ, और मेरे मॉम डैड के मम्मी पापा ग्वालियर में रहते थे. इट वाज टफ फॉर देम आल्सो टू. मेरे एजुकेशनल लोन लिया हुआ था मेरे पढ़ाई के चक्कर में, तो मैं उन पे और डेट नहीं डालना चाह रहा था कि कुछ भी ऐसा कोई चीज़ उनको लगे कि मैं मुंबई गया हूँ तो हाउ टू इसके एक्सपेंसेस कैसे उन तक जाएं. उसके ऊपर मैं जा रहा था अपनी हॉस्टल लाइफ के अलावा. आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल, आई यूज्ड टू गिव ऑडिशंस, एंड अभी सो मेरे पूरे दिन ऐसे बहुत बार जाते थे जब किसी को पता भी नहीं है मैं यहाँ से वहाँ कहाँ पहुँच गया. और फिर सो ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज नीड ऑफ मनी, देयर इज यू नो ट्रैवल है, खाना है, इवन एक कपड़ा एक शर्ट भी अगर खरीदनी है महीने में एक बार या 2 महीने में, समथिंग आई डोंट नो. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि वो अगर दिमाग में आया भी तो या वो वाले थॉट्स बहुत अजीब होते हैं. वो वाला टाइम बहुत अजीब था. और व्हेन आई केम टू मुंबई आल्सो, जब फिल्म भी मिल गई थी तो आई वाज नॉट पेड ऐसा कुछ हैंड्स इतना अमाउंट कि वो ऐसा लगे कि वाह लाइफ बन गई, चेंज हो गया. इट वाज अ नॉर्मल थिंग, एंड मैं अपना रेंट ही निकाल पा रहा था, या वो 2 टाइम का खाना हो रहा था. बट उसके अलावा ऐसा नहीं है कि लाइफ एकदम ही चेंज हो गई.
तो लाइफ चेंज हुई कब? When do you think that was that moment where
100%
you genuinely
after
became a champion?
हाँ.
You were always a champion, let's be
हाँ.
honest about it. But when did you feel that in लोगों के नजरों में आप champion बन गए?
I think there have been different time frames and different periods where I feel that लोगों को ऐसा लगा या मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार ये करेक्ट हुआ ये. एंड आई थिंक सोनू के टीटू की स्वीटी वाज वन फिल्म जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि हाँ यार कुछ तो मैंने यहाँ पे अचीव किया. एंड इट चेंज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर मी. सो आई फेल्ट दैट वेज. एंड पहली बार मेरा नाम लोग बोल पा रहे थे, उनसे मैं अपना नाम सुन रहा था. सो इट फेल्ट लाइक अ विक्ट्री इन सम वे और द अदर, बिकॉज फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम मुझे कोई नाम से बुला ही नहीं क्योंकि रिकॉल ही नहीं कर पाते थे. इसको कहीं तो देखा है, इसके बारे में कहीं तो सुना है, या और शायद किसी को तो फिल्म भी याद नहीं आती थी. मैं पंचनामा 2 कुछ भी. सो सोनू वाज दैट फिल्म जिसकी वजह से वो एक सडनली आई कुड सी कि यार मेरे से ऑटोग्राफ लोग मांग रहे हैं.
But have people come up to you and identified you as somebody else?
उसके बाद उसके पहले तो बहुत बार हुआ है. मतलब आइडेंटिफाइड नहीं, कोई तो ये भी बोला अरे तुम हीरो बन सकते हो. मेरा तो मैं ऑलरेडी फिल्म लाइन में हूँ. तो वो सब हुआ है, बहुत हुआ है.
But one thing that has stayed with you is that you've always been so grounded because of your family roots, right? Like uncle auntie have been there for you and supported you through and through. Initially आपने बोला ही नहीं था. तो जब break किया news, what was their reaction? Because they come from a full family of doctors. So from academics to this, it becomes a huge change for a middle class family, you know, because जब middle class family के पास वही कुछ options होते हैं कि ये होगा तो बेटे का life set हो जाएगा, ये नहीं हुआ तो क्या हो जाएगा, uncertainty बहुत है industry में, इतने साल काम करने के बाद भी uncertainty थी.
Correct.
So how did your family react to that then, and how do they react to the love that you get now?
To the uncertainty, I think they were really scared at that time, and they used to feel that this, because they didn't know anything about the industry. It was just we were just learning ABCD, you know, from the scratch we were learning everything over here. So for them again it was scary, and so they were really, and my mom told me that I have to finish off my course and I have to complete it. So I was completing my engineering. I remember I was giving my some exam of my college, and प्यार का पंचनामा 2 या आकाशवाणी में शूट कर रहा था. पंचनामा had already released. So वो भी वैसे भी जोन में था मैं कि मैं कॉलेज जा रहा हूँ और मेरी फिल्म आ चुकी है. So these were the things which were happening, and my family, of course, they were not so secure. They thought that ये temporary है बहुत. अभी I mean still वो I could still sense it. They don't say it, but I know that they are also fearful right now also.
But they are extremely proud.
Of
and
course
they're extremely happy.
Of course.
And they're extremely emotional about it. And
They
I
are.
know that for a reason, because both of them are so proud. Both of them, even your sister,
Yeah.
they're so proud of where you've reached. And anybody who has been a part of that journey actually feels that way for you, to be
Yeah.
very honest.
Yeah.
You've been very deeply invested with this film in particular. You're
Fully.
invested with all of your films, but this one, I think you're a little more
Yeah.
physically, emotionally, deeply attached.
Because I think
to.
it's taken a lot of time. It's also something where I have been deeply invested in terms of not just mentally but physically becoming that part.
Yeah.
You know, and thinking like Murli sir, or I've had the same journey for these couple of years where I became that man who refused to surrender and tried to learn new skill set from the scratch. I had this phobia of deep water. I had to overcome that first and then go to the basics of swimming. So I learned all these skill sets, from boxing to swimming to wrestling, from scratch. So for me, and then building a body which would look a certain way, look like an athlete, perform like that with real opponents. So everything regarding this film was so detailed.
But there are
And
many
so
looks in the film. It's not
many
just one.
looks. There are so many looks. I had to go with these prosthetics. Different kind of prosthetics also, which took like 5 hours to 6 hours, मतलब every day. So I used to, अगर फिल्म का किसी का कॉल टाइम 10 o'clock है, फिल्म पूरी शूटिंग के जो भी लोग आ रहे, तो मेरा कॉल टाइम मेरी टीम का 3 बजे या 4 बजे होगा. So that वो 6 घंटे लगते थे तैयार होने के लिए उसके लिए. So that especially that old age वाला जो पूरा सेक्शन है उसमें, तो ये सारी चीजों में मैं इतना इन्वेस्टेड था खुद से. I think every schedule felt like a new film, a new part, a new journey of Chandu Champion. So I know it in and out, and I'm really attached to the story in a way where I think this can be a journey of, this can be your journey, this can be my journey, this can be anyone's journey. It's an Indian dream, which I feel, I think ये बच्चे को पता होना चाहिए कि you can achieve so much. And we crave for small petty things, but here's a man who literally never gave up in the most unusual situations and achieved his dreams.
Yeah. But do you not feel like today people are talking about the transformation, and people are actually talking about the magic behind the whole picture that you've put out, that how you've achieved? But a lot of people, do you feel that they overlook the fact that there's been so much of strenuous years that has gone behind doing that, and the physical transformation, did that take a toll on your health?
It took a toll on my health in terms of I was actually for the longest time I was having these withdrawal symptoms for my food habits, you know, and then getting used to the idea of not having so much food, and also while working out, there were so many injuries that you know, I had like a shoulder injury. Then I had a left shoulder injury for the longest time, and then suddenly while swimming, I got a right shoulder injury. So both my shoulders were almost gone. Then I had a back injury, and I had to do that war sequence, the entire war sequence
With that back injury.
with that back injury, and where I had to lift those big guns, and I had to lift some soldiers on my back in the middle of that 8 minute long sequence. So which was again, so it took a toll on me while shooting those amazing sequences, but yet really difficult sequences. So and while boxing, these boxers, they used to punch my face or my shoulders or my injured limbs, and again I had to go through so many physiotherapy sessions. So just to fix that, but there was no other alternative but to shoot at the same time. So I had to shoot no matter what, and while swimming, I was 102 degrees or 103 degree temperature while I was shooting for the swimming competition over there in London, and it was cold water. Basically, the water was so. मुझे तो कोल्ड शावर से मेरे को वो लगता है मैं कोल्ड पानी में वहाँ पे स्विमिंग कर रहा था और वो वायरल हो रखा था, एंड वी कुडंट चेंज द लोकेशन. सो अदरवाइज बिकॉज माय तो मुझे डॉक्टर्स ने मना कर दिया था ट्रैवल करने के लिए, बट आई हैड नो ऑप्शन बट टू ट्रैवल एंड गो टू लंडन एंड स्विम ओवर देयर विद दिस 102 फीवर, एंड आई कुडंट मतलब रिकवर आल्सो बिकॉज एवरी डे आई वाज taking the medicines and going into the pool and staying there for 8 hours, and then again my fever would shoot up, and so it took a while for me to actually get out of that. So these have been the situations, the kind of situations. These are few situations that I told you, but yeah, it's been a difficult journey.
But don't worry, I think that eventually it's all worked out, and we all are praying that it is a huge game changer for you. It will be, inshallah. But you know, मैंने आपका एक इंटरव्यू देखा recently जिसमें आपने बहुत इमोशनली एक बात बोली जिससे मैंने बहुत रिलेट किया. आपने कहा कि ये इंडस्ट्री है, यहाँ पे मैं दोस्त बनाने नहीं आया हूँ और मेरे यहाँ पे दोस्त है नहीं कोई. Unfortunately, we are all living in a world where we are away from our houses. Of course, you have the liberty and the stability in your life because your parents stay with you today.
Yeah.
But there was a time when you stayed alone, and loneliness is something that is possibly one of the most not talked about emotions, especially among artists. How do you deal with those? And not having friends. I've seen the emotions in your eyes when you said it. It's not like कि तुमको पता है कि तुम्हारे दोस्त नहीं है. It's also, there's a sense of hurt that eventually you work in a profession where you actually don't end up making friends because everybody is competing. Does that hurt you ever? Be honest.
अभी मैं ऐसा साउंड नहीं करना चाहता कि अरे मुझे दोस्ती करनी है ये वाली चीजें, बट सी देयर वाज दिस क्वेश्चन व्हिच वाज आस्क्ड टू मी वेयर या सो आई थिंक आई said it in that moment where, and I honestly believe in that thing because the fact is that with every Friday our jobs are changing, you know. I do a film for like 6 months and I'm meeting them every day, and we are talking to each other, all of us, and we are like a family, and suddenly that Friday, even if it's a hit, even if it's a success or if it's a failure, it doesn't matter. The next Friday you're again changing your office. So हमारे normal routine में, normal life में लोगों के jobs या लोगों के offices change नहीं हो रहे थे. You meet the same people over and over again, and you make friends over there or enemies, whatever. It's in the same office, you know. It's the same job. But when it comes to our profession, we are technically changing our office. Technically changing our colleagues, and we don't get time to spend time with our previous colleagues because we are so involved in this project which we are working on presently. So it's tough to make friends over here, and
but does it bother you? Does it hurt you?
I think initially it used to bother me because I come from a place where I had my college friends, I had my school friends, and you know they've all now they've traveled and they're not here. But I used to think कि अच्छा यहाँ पे भी it'll be like a college, you know.
That is what
but
we
that was
imagine it to
हाँ
be.
वो अलग ही हो गया. So I think yeah. So I've come to terms with the fact that I'm here to work. I'm not here to make friends. Yeah.
अक्सर कहा जाता है एक चीज जो सब बोलते हैं कि किसी के थोड़े जल्दी किसी के थोड़े लेट से बट सपने सभी के पूरे होते हैं एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट आपका सपना पूरा तो हुआ है बट आप बहुत और ज्यादा सपना देखो और सब कुछ पूरा करो एंड यू नो दैट यू विल जेन्युइनली हैव an army of fans and a lot of people from the media also who will actually cheer you on. So kudos to you and kudos
Thank
to
you.
Chandu Champion team and I hope that we do a success interview very very soon.
Arey, I hope so too. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Admissions open for BTech, BSc Agri, BPharm, Nursing, Paramedical and Arts and Science courses.